Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the GLEN mini chopper. This is a 250 watt chopper as it's written over here. There you can see it also comes with 2 years of warranty. It also has 2 bowls in it. This is also made in India and the model number for this particular chopper is SA4043 Plus. Let's quickly take a look at the other information. Over here you can see that says, these are basically all the contents. It comes with small compact size 400 milliliter bowl. There's another food grade polycarbonate bowl. There are rust resistant SS chopping blades, the whisker disc, and also anti-skid base for maximum stability. There are some pictures of what all you can make with this particular chopper. And that is more or less it. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. And there you go, these are the components of the box. You have a user's guide that has everything that you need to know about this particular chopper, including all the different components. So you can actually use this to tally whatever you have. This is the actual main unit. This is the actual main unit, the motor unit basically. So this is where the 250 watt motor can be found. Notice the GLEN logo right over here. There you can see the GLEN logo. It has a piano black finish to it, and this is the switch or the knob that you use to power it on. Okay, what else do we have? This is the spindle that is attached to this, attached to the base of this particular unit. We also have a bowl cover. This is a cover for this. Actually, both the bowls, you can use it to cover both these bowls. And these are the 2 chopping bowls that it comes with. And yeah, there are 2 chopping bowls. These are food grade polycarbonate chopping bowls. Finally, we have 2 attachments that comes with it. This is the whisking attachment that can go in one bowl for the time being. And these are the blades, the chopping blades. Let's put this over here. Let me quickly give you a demonstration of what this actually going to look like. So the idea is that you put this on top of any of these bowls and you connect it to a power socket. Let me do that quickly. So now I've powered this device and I'm going to just click on this button over here. Let's see if this works. You heard that? It works pretty good, pretty well in fact. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the GLEN 250 watt mini chopper. The model number is SA4043 Plus. Thank you for watching.